Hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. And so for today's tutorial, we are going to look at creating points, shapefiles for points, lines, and polygons. So there are several ways we can do that. So I want to create a shapefile of a point, a shapefile of a line, and a shapefile of a polygon. So to start with, let's create a shapefile for what? For the points. So we are going to go to layer and say create layer here. So under create layer, we say a new shapefile layer. So new shapefile layer, click on it. So we have to give it a name. So since we are creating points, I'm thinking of let me just call it points. Points GeoCAD. So we have given, anyway, let me remove this. So we browse where we want this to be saved. So for this heading, GeoCAD Chronicles, Kampala projects. So we have some two projects here. Under projects, let me create a new folder, shapefiles. So under here, open this folder, and we call this layers points. Let's go GeoCAD. So this is the file we are creating. See, so you can see that the directory where the file is to be saved has been chosen and the file name. So for the geometry type here, we have to set geometry type to points. So we say points. So when we say points, we have to select the coordinate system. I'm going to leave it as it is. So in case you want to change, you come to this CRS, you click the CRS selector. Then if you know you can browse up the coordinate system you are to use here. So for me, I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then these fields are like attributes. These are what we see. We have new field: name, type, length, precision. So under here, you write what you want to be in the attribute table. So what kind of data you want to score in the attribute table. So let me start with name. So this name is a text. So if it is a text, I have to come here, type, I select text or string. The length is going to be 80 characters, which is okay. I say add to fields list. So yes, it has been added. I can also say location. Also that say, and I can also say the date. For the date, we see you have date here. So we say add. So from there, we are creating, remember we are creating a point layer. So we say okay. So when we say okay, we can see that the point layer has been created. So this is how you create a point layer. So if you want, we can look it up, and when we go to data source manager, remember we say vector, we browse for it. We can see when we go to project shapefile, we see the point GeoCAD layer is already there. So that's how you create a point layer. So let's create a line layer, and we see again, we go to layers, we say create, Under create we say a new shapefile layer, then we browse where we want to save it. So let me call this lines GeoCAD. So GeoCAD, we save it. So the directory where it is saved is here, and this name is there. So for the geometry type, remember to set it to line string. So since it's a line, put it there. The coordinate system, I'm going to leave it the way it is, but you can go to the CRS select and look up which coordinate system you want to use. So under attribute, what would we want to have in the attribute? We want to have a name, and the ID is a default value there. So let's start with name. It's going to be a text, please. A length, that one is okay. I say location, and now let me add distance. Since this is a line, distance. You can as well as call it length. So distance, let me give it a metric which is in meters. So distance, the reason why I've done it like this is because at a certain point this field stops allowing in any characters. Even if I continue pressing letters, we can see that it stops there. So any new entry past that limit can't be allowed in. So distance is an integer or decimal. So since usually it has floating values, so we set decimal. Precision, which is okay, we say okay. Date, let me also add date. So you have to be mindful of the data type you are selecting. So okay, then we also say okay. So you can see that the line layer has been added. So here it has been added. So let's create a polygon layer. So we say layer, add layer, create layer, new shape file layer, new shape file. From the new shape file, since we are creating a polygon, browse where we want to save it. Say poly, GeoCAD, Shapefile is the format we are using. I say save. Geometry type, I set polygon. The attributes, I give it a name. Text already there is add. Let me say area, since we also need area. So area is going to be so, and when you are setting your area, you have to be mindful of these fields you are using here for this to come out very well. So let me change this one to Arc 1960. Then I say area, and then after area I say let me call it square meters. Square meters. It's good if it is in hectares. So I'm using square meters. So don't forget to change the data type. That one. So, and so I think basically that's okay. We say okay. We say okay. So this I think let me use the one coordinate system for all these data sets. Let me change all of them to Arc 19. So first I assign them to Arc 19. Also assign this point to Arc 1960. The source. So to assign this, we go to properties. Under properties, we go to source, assign coordinate reference system. I change it to Arc 1960. So I say apply, I say okay. So basically now all our layers are in the same coordinate system. So with this, I stop here for this tutorial. Subscribe and like, and leave your questions and inquiries in the comment section.